fun time of this spectacular show, and we'll catch you on later. As you see, there's a lot of people here. We're almost to the time of the fireworks. Hope you have a relaxing time, and I can't wait to watch this fireworks display. Thanks for watching this spectacular fireworks show, and I'll see you on the next video.